The other use of radiation which we need to cover is medical tracers. If we place certain radioactive isotopes inside the person's body, which can be done by injecting them or getting the person to swallow them, then we can actually track the movement of the isotopes inside the person's body by tracking the radiation they emit. This means that we can check if certain organs are working properly by observing if they absorb the right amount of the substance. For example, by giving them iodine 123, which emits gamma radiation. We can see if iodine is being absorbed by the thyroid gland. If it is absorbed, then we will be able to detect the gamma radiation by gamma cameras. We tend to use gamma rays for medical tracers because they are less harmful than alpha or beta radiation. Although we do sometimes use beta radiation, we tend to use isotopes with a shorter half-life as possible, so that they only emit radiation for a short period while taking measurements, and then stop being harmful.